Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Bevo Media Geotargeting feature. It's important to point out that you actually don't need to be using the Bevo tracker to use this feature. It's made to work with any tracker out there, and in fact you don't even need to be using a tracker at all. Basically all you do is input some information and you put a little snippet of coding on your page, and your viewers are going to see a different page based off of whatever geolocation they're coming from. So I'm going to go through here and show you just how to set it up and everything. So I'm going to go to the tracker section. This feature is accessible through the tracker or the app section, but we'll go through the tracker right now. We'll click geotargeting. Okay, we'll do new geotarget. We'll call it GeoVid Test 1. Okay, now we're going to want to add a landing page. Okay, so we're going to do landing page URL. We'll just do a dummy page here for the sake of this video. So we'll go http bevodemo.com/us.html. Okay, and now we're going to add a location. Okay, so we want people from the United States to see this page. Now it's important to point out here that you could break down to the city level, so we could break it down to the state and then any city within that state. Okay, so in this example we're just going to do it in the US. So we're going to add another landing page now. So we'll do another dummy page here. So bevodemo.com/germany.html. Okay, so we're going to add a location here. Okay, now we're going to want to add Germany. So everybody that comes from Germany is going to see this page, germany.html, and everybody that comes from the US is going to come to this page, us.html. Okay, so we got Germany. We're going to submit, and it loads here, and we'll scroll down and you can see here are two targets, USA, Germany. Okay, now we have this page right here. Okay, so pretty much what we're going to do is just take this snippet of coding, okay, and go over into Dreamweaver and start our own page, and just delete everything in that page and paste that code into this. Now this is going to be a PHP file, so you'll name this landing page.php, and then you'll go to that URL and it will go to either or page pending on the location of the user. Okay, so I'll go to that page now, and you'll see this list lander is for the US. Okay, so that's all you have to do now if you're not using a keyword tracker. If you just want to redirect your viewers to whatever location, you just put that step in there. They'll go to that PHP page and they'll get redirected to the proper landing page. But now, for the sake of this example, let's go through how to do it with the Bevo tracker. Like I said, you don't need to use Bevo. You can use any tracker you want, but we'll go through how to do this on the Bevo tracker. Okay, so let's just go through the steps of setting up a tracking campaign really quick. So we'll go to tracking codes, create new. We'll create a generic media buy here. Campaign name, geo test, geo ad group. Okay, landing page URL. Okay, now the important part here is to put the PHP file name as your landing page URL. So they're going to go through the PHP file, and then they're going to get redirected. Okay, now your offer URL, which just wouldn't really matter in this case, so we'll just go offer.com, get codes. Okay, so pretty much what we're looking at here is this is going to be your destination URL, and you're going to put this code on each of your landing pages. So this is just a generic JavaScript code. So we have this here. We'll go back to Dreamweaver. Here's the original PHP file that the users are going to come to. This is where they come to when they go to your destination URL. That's the step we just did prior to this. So we're going to go over to the USA landing page right here. Okay, and we just put that JavaScript code on step 3 right here. We put that on your USA landing page. Okay, now we'll go over to Germany now and put it on your Germany landing page. So right here. So you just put the JavaScript on your appropriate landing page. Okay. Now you just got to access. Now you just save it and FTP it, and all you got to do is go to your destination URL here, which is your PHP file. Okay, and there you go. We just went through the tracking URL, and this is the lander for the US. Okay, obviously I'm coming from the US, so that's the page that gets shown. So I went through that destination URL, and it brought me to my page, and it tracks. So that's pretty much all you got to do. It's quite simple. Like I said, it works on any tracker. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in our support forum. All right, thanks a lot.